Hello everyone! Welcome back to lesson 2.
In lesson 1, we learned how to say hello.
Today, we will learn how to keep the conversation going.
We are talking about hobbies and interests สิ่งที่คุณชอบทำครับ
To ask someone what they like, you can say, "What do you do for fun?"
What do you do for fun คุณชอบทำอะไรในเวลาว่างครับ
Or, more simply, what are your hobbies?
What are your hobbies งานอดิเรกของคุณคืออะไรครับ
Now, let's learn how to answer. We use the pattern I like to or my hobby is.
Let's try some examples. I like to read books ฉันชอบอ่านหนังสือครับ
I like to read books.
I like to watch movies ฉันชอบดูหนังครับ
I like to travel.
ผมชอบท่องเที่ยวครับ
To sound more natural, you can add and you at the end. For example, I like to travel. And you?
แล้วคุณล่ะครับ
This keeps the conversation going.
Great job today. Conversation is like a game of catch. You ask and you answer.
Tell us in the comments, what do you do for fun?
Don't forget to like and follow for lesson 3.
See you next time. Goodbye.